In this video, I'm going to show you how you can lock apps, so it requires your Face ID as an example to open it up, and even how we can hide them. Let's take a look at how we lock and hide apps on the iPhone. Now, if you like what you see here, stick around to the end. I'll tell you a little bit more about myself and how you can help support my efforts in creating these videos. All right, let's take a look at how we can lock and hide apps on the iPhone. Let's go over to my iPhone. Let's first look at how we can lock an app. So I'm going to go over to this app here. This is a database. And what I would like to do is I would like to lock that. So if I hand my iPhone over to someone, they're not going to be able to open up that app. How can we lock it? Well, basically, all we have to do is just long press on it. And then what you're going to see is require Face ID. This is a phone that requires Face ID. So all I need to do is just tap on that. And then I tap on Require Face ID, and when I do, the only way that that app is going to be able to be opened is if it recognizes my face. So what I'm going to do is turn the iPhone away from me, and then I'm going to tap on the Airtable icon, and you're going to see that it says Face ID is required to open Airtable. So if I turn this at my face now and tap on it, now it'll open it up. Or if I'm looking at it and I tap on it, it'll open it up. So that's how you can easily lock an app. Now, if you want to unlock it, all you have to do is just long press on it and then tap on Don't Require Face ID. When I tap on that, now it'll open up even if I'm not looking at the iPhone. Anyone can open up that app. So that's how we can lock an app. Now, what about hiding an app? Well, hiding an app works along with locking it. The first thing we need to do is we need to lock the app, and then we can select if we want to hide it. So we're going to use this Airtable again. I want to lock and hide it. We can't just hide it. All we can do is just lock and hide it. So I long press on it, and then we go over here to Require Face ID. And then I have the option here to hide and require Face ID. When I hide this, what it's going to do is it's going to hide it in the app library. So let's go ahead and tap on that. And now I hide the app. We can see it is no longer here. So how do I get to it? Well, basically I have to go to the app library. So I'm going to swipe over and go to the app library. And when I swipe up now, I'm not looking at the iPhone. I have the iPhone turned away from me. So when I'm not looking at the iPhone, that app is not going to show here. But if I look at the iPhone, because it sees my face, Face ID, when I tap on that, what it's going to do is it's going to show me all the apps that are locked and hidden. So again, I'm going to get out of there, and then I swipe. If I tap on this here, it's not going to do anything because I have the iPhone turned away from my face. They're locked and they're hidden. So now I want to unlock them and unhide them. I turn the iPhone towards my face, and then when I tap on it, it recognizes my face, and now I can see those apps and open them up. If you want to unhide it and unlock it, again, you just long press on it while you're looking at it, while it is unlocked, and then what you're able to do is Don't Require the Face ID. What it's going to do is it's going to remove it from that folder there, and now it is in your app library, and what you're going to be able to do is move that over to a home screen if you want. So that is how we can lock and hide apps on the iPhone. All you have to do is just long press on an app to lock it, and when you lock it, you're going to have the option to also hide it. When you hide it, it places it in the app library. You can't see what is in that folder until it recognizes your face. And then once it recognizes your face, you're going to be able to see all of the apps within that folder. So that's how we lock and hide apps on the iPhone. Now, if you found this video helpful, what you may want to do is like the video. You can subscribe to my channel. You can share it with your friends and family. I also have a couple of options that you can help support my efforts in creating these videos. I have an online site called Dan's Tutorials, which is a subscription-based site But when you become a member of my site, what I'll do is I will take out all of the ads from the videos. You also have access to more videos. You have an AI assistant modeled after an Apple Genius. If you don't like subscriptions and you just want to have a course on the iPhone, you can go to Dan's Online Courses. This is another way of supporting my efforts in creating these videos. Dan's Online Courses is not a subscription site. Basically, you just purchase the course. And it's going to have all of the videos on how to work with the iPhone. And that's over at dansonlinecourses.com. So if you like what you see here, you have a couple of different ways to help support my efforts. Either way, what you're doing is you're supporting a small business. It is just me in a corner office. I'm not part of some large organization. Check out danstutorials.com as well as Dan's Online Courses for more information. And thanks for watching.